So students, we continue with our chapter on towards green energy. In the last couple of lectures, we had a look at how electric energy can be produced by using thermal energy and nuclear energy. Today, we will have a look at how electric energy can be generated by using natural gas. Natural gas, students, also is a fossil fuel, but it is much more efficient than the solid fossil fuel, that is coal. So let us look at the process by which natural gas can be converted into electrical energy, and we look at the energy transformation taking place in a natural gas power plant. So students, here we look at the process by which natural gas can be converted into electrical energy. Now, in a natural gas power plant, there are three main steps. One is the process of combustion of natural gas in a combustion chamber with the help of pressurized air that is supplied by a compressor. The next step is, with the help of the natural gas which has undergone combustion, you run the gas turbine. The gas turbine in turn runs the generator, which then generates electrical energy. So what basically happens in a natural gas power plant is that natural gas is fed first into the combustion chamber along with pressurized air supplied by a compressor. Due to combustion of natural gas, the natural gas increases in temperature and pressure. All of us know that when gases are heated, they expand in volume, and because of that, there is a high temperature and pressure generated, causing this natural gas to have a high amount of kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy of the natural gas is then used to run the gas turbine. The gas turbine in turn runs the generator, which gives electrical energy. So the energy transformation taking place would be the chemical energy stored in the natural gas gets converted into kinetic energy due to the combustion of natural gas. This kinetic energy of the natural gas is used to run the turbine. So the kinetic energy of the natural gas gets converted into the kinetic energy of the gas turbine, and the kinetic energy of the gas turbine is used to run the generator, which then generates electrical energy. Students, this is a schematic diagram of a natural gas power plant. You can see over here the fuel is fed into the combustion chamber along with pressurized air. In the combustion chamber, the fuel expands, its temperature increases, its pressure increases. The kinetic energy of this hot gases then is used to run the turbine, which in turn runs the generator to produce electrical energy. So students, this is how a natural gas power plant is used to generate electrical energy. So students, as I mentioned at the beginning of my lecture, that natural gas is a much more efficient fuel as compared to coal, and also it is less polluting. So natural gas would be a preferred choice to generate electrical energy. Of course, it also has, it's being a fossil fuel, it is going to let out some type of pollutants in the atmosphere, but not to the extent that what coal would do. It has its own effects on the environment, but to a lesser extent when compared to coal. So students, we have completed the topic on electricity generation through non-renewable resources. We will in the next lecture deal with the generation of electricity by renewable resources. So during the next lecture we look at hydroelectric power generation. We will also look at wind energy being converted into electrical energy, and another very good way of converting solar energy into electrical energies. So students, stay safe, take care, and thank you.